The
Yes.
sun isn't up yet.
So we will have a family walk to...
Pasig Rainforest Park.
Yes. So
yeah.
let's go. Alright guys, we stop here sa Pandi, Manila para bumili ng pandesal, hot pandesal. Oh yeah, pandesal. So mommy's now buying pandesal. Oh, that's very nice. Oh, this is good. There's the cheese. Ensaymada. They also have ice cream. Wow. Yeah, that's really good, right?
Is this sweet or not?
I think so. Oh, wow. And see? Ayun, no? Nakabili na po kami ng pandesal. Alright. Alright, guys. So, let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Jollibee. Ay, Jollibee. McDonald's. At dito, of course, sa McDonald's dito ay may rice. Right, guys. McDonald's with rice. Finally, for less than an hour walking, we are finally here at...
Pasig Rainforest Park.
Yes, finally. We make it, guys. So, we'll show you around ngayong umaga, early morning. Okay? So, see you.
Water park.
Yeah, they have pools, amenities. Water park. Okay. Morning po. Alright. Morning po. Oh, beautiful. Wow, that's cool. That's good. Really good place to come. So meron silang palaruan para sa mga bata dito. Oh, check natin. Ayun. So guys, ang luwang dito guys. And regularly, may mga naglilinis. And so let's give thanks to them. They're keeping the place clean. Oh, this is a place for picnic. Nasa isang pamilyan. Yeah, it's really nice. It's big. And it's free, right?
When we go home, where's the swimming pool?
Kind of dangerous.
No, because Rave and Theater Adventure Park.
Alright. Let's see the other places here. Tingnan natin ang ibang mga pasyalan. Ayun, meron silang Rainforest Community Farm. Wow.
Rave Amphitheater.
Oh.
Adventure Park.
Okay.
Starfield.
Oh.
I want to check and see. Is it real?
Wow. I like the vibes and the feeling, right?
Yeah. I miss this. This reminds me of the farm vibe.
Yeah. I miss the farm.
I also miss the farm. Oh look, oh we can eat over here.
Okay, let's take a rest. Somewhere there, mami, sa may maliwanag sana. In the lighter area, mas maliwanag
Oh wow.
na area.
That looks so cool.
Oh, that's good.
Whoa. That's so cool.
Oh, wow.
Do they have a zip line?
Oh, the wall climbing, ah.
Let's check if they have a zip line for my sister. Usually, the vacation day, they have a zip line.
I miss Agoo. Right? Our farm. Oh, so they have
We can go here next time.
Adventure Park. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Wow. Oh.
Sorry, I didn't understand what you were saying.
Hmm? Oh yeah, they have.
Whoa, that's actually so cool. I want to ride
That's
it.
cool. Meron silang train track.
Guys, go in one area. There's triple jogging.
Okay, pwede na tayo dito. Rest tayo dito. Alright.
It looks like yummy, look.
I know.
At least, and I'm not even jogging. So we are already taking a rest, and Dad prepared something. We have water, pandesal from Pande Manila. We also have hopia and liver spread. The scriptures.
Guys, ito yung pinaka-na-miss namin dito sa Pilipinas. Pandesal at, of course, liver spread ng Reno.
Pande Manila.
Hindi Manila. Alright, let's bless the food. Mommy first.
According to age.
What the?
Homemade always tastes better. Yeah.
What's the difference though? The provincial.
Appreciate life when you're not there for it. So I love it when we go out together like this as a family, because it also helps me be grateful for the life that we have anywhere we go. It's Canada, here in Philippines. It's really wonderful. Inspiration from a photo I look at every day. How do you walk the cliff with that photo? No, it's really good. No, I was kidding.
Is there more props?
Yeah. And I think that every single second you're able to, or in every moment, when you think of subscribe. Picture tayo dito.
Oh wait, let's just turn around.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Picture lang dito.
Yeah, okay. Okay, let's take a photo here.
It's invisible.
Yeah, I found.
So they have rave fitness. That's good. Alright guys, we are done with our visits here.
There's a lot of places to go here. There was an
Okay.
adventure park, a water park, a lagoon area or a boat area,
Yep.
a zoo. It's so nice. I did not expect it. I thought it's just a rainforest.
That's Angela.
Faster than
It's
us.
actually so beautiful.
Yep.
Like it's like what you'd think the Baguio parks would be, but it's nicer.
We